change. It's a powerful force that often stirs up feelings of resistance and fear. And for good reason. Studies show that well over half of organizational change efforts disappoint and underdeliver. When mismanaged or overdone, change has the potential to destroy what we're great at, to send our teams into chaos and confusion, and confuse our customers around what we're all about. Yet when we shy away from change and cling to what's familiar and safe, we slowly become stagnant and irrelevant, and ultimately outdated in a rapidly evolving world. But there's another option, one where change becomes your greatest asset. Imagine navigating the complexities of change so that you secure yourself as an industry leader. Picture adaptability becoming your leading edge, and innovation giving your team the ability to be fully engaged. Well, this doesn't have to be a dream. It's entirely possible. And in my new book, Leading Change, I provide a straightforward framework that will help you navigate the complexities of change with confidence and clarity. For over 2 decades, I've guided organizations from Fortune 500 giants and international nonprofits to local startups and grassroots charities successfully leverage change. You want to know what their secret is? To take a both-and approach in what's becoming an increasingly either-or world. They've learned to tap into the power of healthy tension in 5 key areas. And when you do that, change management becomes change mastery. Embrace innovation and consistency. Validate facts and feelings. Focus on the short term and the long term. Promote planning and action. And finally, value complexity and simplicity. At the end of the day, Leading Change provides you with one thing, a straightforward plan. And by putting the ideas and the strategies into action, you'll be equipped to successfully lead change, turning resistance into resilience. It's time to reframe change, not as a problem to overcome, but as the key to unlocking your organization's real potential. Let's make change the catalyst for progress and unparalleled success. Get ready to lead change with confidence and to turn innovation and adaptability into your competitive advantage.